So hello, it's Rehan, and have you ever come with the problem that code is working on my machine but it's not working on server or anyone else's machine? So let's come up with the solution that we are going to discuss today. So mainly this happens when we have different dependencies that we are using or injecting in our projects. So let's suppose that we have a Django. If I'm talking about specifically to Python, Django, we have a one version of Django in our production machine, and the second version is installed in developers machine. So when we deploy the development machines code to our server, so it crashes or this will not work basically on server. So here the Python's virtual environment helps us to improve this disaster. So how? We have Python virtual environment. Here's a one line, so we can install this in only in one line. So this will create a folder. We just have to activate our virtual environment. Basically what it does, it isolates our all dependencies as a separate project for each project. So we will not use any version, any feature or any library from our operating system. We will use everything from our isolated environment or virtual environment provided by Python. So we will install each dependency or each library inside our virtual environment by just pip install blah blah whatever we needed, and everything will be ready in our virtual environment. So now we can run our project via virtual environment after activating it, and now boom, it's working. Another major feature that virtual environment provided us is that we can export, or we can work in teams by providing all the dependencies in just a single file. So Python virtual environment provides us the facility to freeze all the dependencies in a single file by pip freeze and the sign and the file name that we wanted to export it with, all the libraries. So all the team members just need to install this requirement.txt file in their activated virtual environment, and boom, it's working. So this is how we can use the power of virtual environment and reduce the effect of code is not running in my machine. So stay tuned for some more interesting and fancy things. Thank you.